ano ang inaasahan ninyong mapanood ngayong gabi and then segue to invite?
Amin is magagandahan kayo sa amin. Yun lang yun. De, abangan nyo na lang. Mas maganda kasi yung wala tayong i-spoil eh. No? Yes.
Eh, abangan na lang at pakihulaan na lang kung ano ang role namin. Yes. Magjowa?
Yan, please invite nyo naman ng lahat na manood ng Special Memory.
Kami nga pala si Tito Abdul and ito si Tito Marcy. And of course, inaanyayahan namin kayo na manood ng A Special Memory na directed by Direk Jerry. No?
Yes.
Ulitin mo, sasampalin kita. Sinabi ko na pala lang.
Okay, very, very well said. Maraming salamat, guys. It's an honor to have you here. Okay, let's have a photo with Tito Abdul and Tito Marcy dito po sa ating right side of the stage. We'll see you inside the cinema. Okay, ang ating next guests ay handa na po. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Beauty Gonzalo. Hello. Hello, hello. How are you? Neighbor.
Hello, neighbor!
How are you? Please say hi to everybody.
Hello po! Good evening po sa inyong lahat. Thank you for taking time out para samahan kami sa aming premiere A Special Memory. Nako, marami nang excited, marami na nakapanood. And ako, it's my first time to watch the movie. So, sa sobrang daming magandang reviews, I'm super, super excited.
Yes, totoo yan. Marami tayong screenings at maraming umiyak. Diba? So, ready ka na po ba sa tissue?
Ready na. Maraming tissue dyan sa paligid. So, I'm sure I'll be safe.
Yes. Okay, thank you so much for being here. Please, yayain niyo po ang for the film.
Yes, sabihan niyo po yung mga family members niyo, mga kaibigan niyo. We're showing on March 11 sa maraming sinehan. Alam ko, medyo malungkot ang nangyayari sa mundo. Kahit malungkot tong movie na to, meron pa rin tayong mga takeaway na mga lessons dito na makakapagpasaya rin sa inyong lahat. So, I really hope you watch The Special Memories starring Carlo Aquino, Bella Padilla. Marami pa pong iba.
So you may take your photo dito po sa ating photo wall. And just a little reminder sa lahat ng ating guests na merong ticket for Cinema 2. Pwede na po kayong pumasok kung ninanais na po ninyong umupo-upo. Yes, please join me here. Para may picture po tayo. Mr. Joel Torre, ladies and gentlemen.
Magandang gabi, IPD. It's nice to be here. Thank you everyone for coming. Show you maganda pong pelikula na to. Siyempre with Carlo Aquino, si Bella Padilla, directed by Jerry Sineneng, and written by none other than national artist Ricky Lee. Oh, di ba? Panalo ng panalo. Thank you.
Incredible. Siyempre, ang cast din po. Of course.
I play the father, usual good father. And napakaganda po ng story nito. Baka magdala kayo ng panyo. Baka maubos ang luha nyo.
Yes, exactly. Please do invite everybody to watch the film when it comes out po.
It's a special memory, kakaiba pong story. We'd like to invite everyone. Showing na on March 11, Wednesday, by Viva Films in theaters nationwide.
Thank you so much, Mr. Joel. O, di ba? Ilang
And
beses ko na.
congratulations.
Thank you. O, di ba? Na-rub-rub ko si Sir. Okay, you may now take your photo po. Dito, please, sa ating photo wall. O, di ba? Ganyan tayo magpa-premiere sa Viva. So, always join us sa aming mga special evenings just like this. I have you. Of course, our national artist right here, Mr. Ricky Lee, and of course, Direk Jerry Lopez Sinene. Please join me here po. Please just share a few words with us. We're all excited to see you. Hello, Mr. Rico. Yes, I am part of the cast po. Yes, the friend. Okay, please say hi to everybody. And of course, Direk, how does it feel? Napakaraming lumabas ngayon to support.
Sobrang saya, sobrang thank you very much po. Sana magustuhan niyo yung movie na iniaalay namin sa inyo. Pinaghirapan namin, pinilitang pagandahin. We gave it our best. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, multiple screenings before today. And we've all had stellar reviews. I'm sure you've heard them too. How does it feel, Mr. Ricky Lee?
Nakakataba ng puso na maraming nanonood at umiiyak habang nanonood. At may mga talkbacks kami before at may mga schedule pa rin screenings na may talkback with the audience.
All right. Yes po, may mga screening. We also had talk back with the guests. Hindi po ba? Okay, so, sir, ano po ba? Just one last question.
Although adaptation siya, yung ginawa namin na adaptation is Pinoy na Pinoy. Pag nanood ka, maiiyak ka, pero matutuwa ka rin dahil parang celebration siya ng pag-ibig. Makikita mo na ang pag-ibig, lalo na ng Pilipino, nagtatagal, natatalo niya maski na anong klaseng sakit o anong klaseng hirap. So in the end, nakaka-reassure na magmahal pag napanood mo yung pelikula.
Baka naman po natin, of course, Mr. Ricky Lee. Maraming salamat, direct. Photo lang po tayo. Okay. At ito na, the moment we've been waiting for before we call on our main cast. We have a very special performance. Direct Jerry Lopez national artist Mr. Ricky Lee. Stage for a full cast photo. Maraming salamat po. Reserve your seats inside. Muli maraming salamat po sa all of the fans, the supporters who were here, who've been here since the beginning until now. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Once again, the movie is rated PG, so please, yayain nyo lang ang mga kapamilya. Pwede mag-gets, pwede ulit along, because this movie, of course, we have Bella and Carlo. Very, very beautiful.
Thank you. We love you guys too. Thank you so much.
Yes, please say hi, Bate, sa lahat. How do you feel right now?
Yes, I'm so excited na mapapanood nyo na itong pelikulang to. Napanood ko na siya ng isang araw kasama si Sir Ricky. So, I'm very excited for everybody to watch it. Ilang buwan namin pinagpaguran to. This is a movie that my heart. So, I'm so excited na ito na, mapapanood na nating lahat.
Yes, finally.
Hi, good evening everyone. Ako din, excited ako mapanood for the first time yung ginawa namin.
Yeah, Carlo.
Hindi ba?
Yes, pero
first
ang
time.
gaganda ng reviews. So how do you feel about them?
Siyempre proud kasi nga, katulad sinabi ni Bel, talagang pinaghirapan namin yung pelikula. Maraming nangyari sa amin, dalawa. Nagkasakit ako, gano'n, mga gano'n. Pero yun, very excited na mapanood nila.
Yes, at syempre, this message, no? So, meron ba kayong final message for everybody out there why they should watch Special Memory?
Ako, I think, after nyo mapanood itong pelikula, maniniwala kayo ulit sa pag-ibig. So, I'm excited na, yun nga, matapos itong pelikula at makausap nyo yung mga minamahal nyo sa buhay.
Malalaman nyo na maraming ituturo sa inyo ang pag-ibig at ang pagmamahal.
Thank you so much. Okay, please invite everybody to watch Special Memory. Kailan ba lalabas sa sinihan?
Sabi na yan, sana abangan ninyo ang Special Memory. Kinakabahan ako eh.
Carlo! Carlo!
Alright, thank you so much. Let's have a group photo with the cast, with Direk and Sir Ricky. Alright, maraming salamat everybody sa may ticket holders. You may now proceed inside. Muli po, March 11 in cinemas nationwide. Punong-puno ng emosyon, pagmamahal at pag-asa. Ipapaalala ng Special Memory na ang hindi mali